This dog was roaming the streets, sick and covered in mud. He was found by people from a local shelter who took him in for medication, cleaning, and feeding. After a few weeks, he was fully healed and finally got adopted. When they visited, he wagged his tail in happiness, playful and running around joyfully. For more heartwarming stories like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below and let us know how you felt when you saw this video. Love, care, and a little patience can transform a life forever.